Hello guys, good morning. So today I'm just taking a video of this two fish, and I want to talk about these two fish just a little quick. I really don't know what happened because this fish is used to be dark, and this one as well. This is Kirin. As you can see in Kirin, this used to be dark, and this one as well. And I have a video as well showing that, yeah, they're darker than what they are right now. And I'm wondering what happened. Maybe is it because of the water? I change their water every day. From this point up here. I mean here, yeah. So I always change their water, but now I haven't because I don't know what causes them to, to lighten their color. I'm not sure if they're molting because they're already pretty old. They have I have fed them the ultimate sinking pellet, and as well as putting red fuel in it. So yeah, and also this used to be like this guy, this one. This used to be this dark, actually darker than this, but look at what this one turned out. See? It's pretty weird. I really don't know why. I'm a newbie in this fish keeping, in this fish world thingy. So I'm just really confused. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys my fish. So that's all. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.